Hello friends, welcome to my creative channel to watch more videos on machine learning using Python. I have been struggling lot for machine learning. I had done lot of videos on Streamlit like face detection, face recognition, then foods and vegetable classification, image classification, then face recognition, many interesting creative videos on attendance system. We have seen in machine learning many videos on attendance system using tkinter library, and many more creative videos on attendance system using training model and dataset. My latest video of face recognition attendance system using training model face dataset became very good video. So I decided why not do some creative videos on face recognition using training model using machine learning. A lot of students requested me, sir, do face recognition video using machine learning, using training model. These are most needed in today's era of Python. So today's video is about creative video about face recognition using training model and test data. Now we'll go through the program first. This is all about program. Very popular tkinter library is used, and the code is little bit lengthy, obviously, as it is. Now I will execute the program. Since we are using a lot of graphics, it will take some time. Yes, a GUI screen has been displayed. Face recognition system, number 111, name Sanjay. Now I will take the sample. Yes, fine. It is coming really fast. Okay, now training. The number of data set it create, we can't restrict that part. We need to work. I need to work out on that part, that how many data set it create. So we'll go through. Yes, it has created a data set. Now testing. Part. Here a data set has been created. Now I will quit. Now we will go through this. So different images data set has been created. Now we will mark the attendance, face recognition. Yes, it is marked. Fine. 1111 Sanjay. Yes, fine. So I successfully done with face recognition system using machine learning. So these are most wanted videos in today's era. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, share with your friends. I will be back with more and more creative videos on attendance system, face recognition, then Keras, TensorFlow, CNN, then also data science. I am more curious about doing videos on data science, but it will take some time. I think few days I will start with videos on data science and many more videos on Python, and if possible Node.js, React.js, and thanks for watching.